Welcome to the trade table. Today we are going to discuss the cost of running a mini-split. The main advantage of mini-splits is their versatility. Unlike central units, they don't need large return ducts or bulky vents. With just one outdoor unit, you can serve multiple rooms using a single line set, and even connect the same outdoor unit to up to 4 indoor units with various line sets. Furthermore, they are energy efficient as they only operate when needed, resulting in lower electricity costs over time. Installing mini-splits is easy and causes minimal disruption during construction or remodeling projects. Unlike traditional heating systems, they do not require temperature balancing between rooms. How much does it cost to run a mini-split per month? Mini-splits offer an efficient and cost-effective heating and cooling solution for areas without existing ductwork. They are energy efficient and designed for easy installation. The monthly operating cost varies depending on factors such as the system size, SEER rating, and local electricity prices. Calculating average wattage. First, you'll need to figure out the average wattage of the mini-split. You may be able to find this one the mini-split itself, if not in the manual. Simple, divide the BTUs of the mini-split by its SEER rating. Average wattage equals size of mini-split in BTUs/SEER rating. For example, let's say we have a 12,000 BTU mini-split with a 14 SEER rating. This would give us an average wattage of roughly 857 watts. Now let's apply this to find the monthly cost of running a mini-split. The true monthly cost of running a mini-split. Now, take the average wattage you just found, multiply it by your city's electricity price in kilowatts per hour, then multiply it by your usage hours per day. Finally, once you get that number, divide it by 1,000, and then you'll have your monthly cost of running a mini-split per month. Mini-split running cost equals average wattage, kilowatt hour, times electricity price times usage hours/1,000. Continuing with the 857 average watts mini-split example from above, let's say our electricity price is 30 cents per hour, and we plan on using it for 8 hours a day. So we will do 857 kilowatt hour x 30 cents x 8 hours x 30 days, giving us 61,704. We would then divide that by 1,000 to get average monthly cost based on types of mini-split. The cost to run a mini-split per month depends on the type of unit. Single-zone mini-splits, used for a single room, generally cost around $30 per month or less to run. Multi-zone mini-splits, which can condition multiple rooms simultaneously, may run upwards of $100 per month in electricity, depending on usage levels. Chart of how much it costs to run a mini-split per month. Factors affecting the monthly cost of running a mini-split. The monthly cost of running a mini-split depends on various factors, including the efficiency rating, SEER, local climate, size of the unit, and voltage. Higher SEER ratings lead to lower operating costs, while extreme temperatures in the climate may increase energy usage. Choosing the right-sized unit and voltage compatibility are also important for efficiency. Investing in a smart thermostat to manage your monthly cost. Using a smart thermostat with your mini-split system can help you manage energy consumption better. Smart thermostats offer real-time information on temperature, humidity, and energy usage. They automate temperature settings for optimal efficiency, have scheduling options, and may work with voice-activated assistants like Alexa or Google Home, leading to potential energy savings of up to 25%. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this content, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you're looking to buy a mini-split, be sure to check out thetradetable.com, the best mini-split resource online. Have a great rest of your day.